Hey, this is J.R. Harris.
And Joe Portano.
And thank you for being with us on our Q&A about questions homeowners have when facing foreclosure.
JR, I have a question for you.
Sure, Joe.
Who owns the mortgage?
What mortgage?
You know, the property, they have a mortgage and notes.
Okay. So basically what a lot of homeowners see between Bank of America, Wells Fargo, a lot of those guys are basically servicers for the investors that are behind the loan. There's a lot of other people that own the Deutsche Bank. There's probably a lot of other foreign countries. So there's really more trusts and more private funds that are well behind the Bank of Americas, the Wells Fargos, the Chases. So what you're seeing 99% of the time is not really the lender that owns the loan. They're just the servicer that's actually helping you collect payments or not payments, if you might put it that way, servicing the short sales, the loan modifications. So they get paid for really not risking much of their own money. They have guidelines and procedures that they follow from the investors that have actually put up the money behind there. So there's a lot of different people, and most of the time it's not who you think you are that actually owns your mortgage. And if you really want to find out who it is, if you're actually in foreclosure, if you've had a summons, in the summons on the front page, there'll be a case number. There'll be a case number. It'll say Wells Fargo and a few other names versus you as the defendant. And those people are the banks, the servicers, and anyone that's involved with. And so that'll actually tell you who the actual mortgage lender is on that. If you really want to dig deep into it, you could actually go back and find out from your mortgage paperwork as well and find out who it is. But for the most part, it's not who you think it is, and it's not your Bank of America's traditionally, your Chases and Wells. They're just the servicer trying to pass along the right information. So hopefully that'll give you a little bit of insights of what to expect and what you're really seeing. But we'll see you guys on the other side.
Absolutely.
Hey, this is J.R. Harris, and I want to thank you very much for watching our videos. One of the most important parts is the reason we did these videos is to take action and make things better than what they were yesterday, especially when you're facing foreclosure. So what we've done is we've put together what we call our home health analysis. This is the next step in the game here. So what that is that we have put together a series of questions to ask homeowners just like yourself the most important and exact questions you need to have answered in order to move forward and find financial freedom. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to go to www.homehealthanalysis.com, put your email and name in there, and take this quiz. This quiz is going to give you the exact roadmap of what to do and where to go next when facing foreclosure. There's about 17 questions. It should take you no more than 3 minutes, 180 seconds at most, and find out exactly what you need to know for your specific situation. Every situation is different, every person is different, every home is different. So I want to make sure that you know exactly what to do next. So we'll go to www.homehealthanalysis.com and take your questionnaire today. These questions that have been specifically made to make sure that you know exactly what to do. Now, here's the biggest thing is that 85% of most homeowners find themselves in foreclosure and they do nothing at all. So the first thing that you need to do is you need some answers and some direction on where to go next and what to do next. And more importantly, big banks right now aren't giving you the answers that you need because it's not about you. It's about them losing money, and they don't care enough about you to ask you the right questions. They ask you the questions that work for them, not the questions that work for you. So again, I need you to go right now to homehealthanalysis.com. Give me your email and your name and go through the 17 questions, and you'll get an instant answer to exactly what to expect and exactly what to do next. So it's a fantastic tool. It's free to you. It won't cost you a dime. And go take action and do it now. And we'll see you on the other side. Thank you.